Hi guys, for today's video, I want to share old videos of my daughter. Ayan, treasured moment na nakalkal ko sa aking gallery. Post to delete to guys, kaya i-share ko na. Panoorin nyo. Yung aking anak na babae, yan siya, maliit pa siya dyan. 7 years old pa lang siya dyan guys. Ang cute. Hindi mo akalain na sobrang laki niya na ngayon. She's already 13 years old now. Ayan. Intramurals niya sa school. Year 2017 pa yan guys. Enjoy ang mga bata. Team Red. Nakakatuwala ang panoorin. So ayun guys, short video lang ito. Thank you for watching. Bye.